Hey family, welcome back to Rose Kunix channel. Hope you are doing well and I'm also doing good. So in case it's your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. Hit that notification bell for me. Give this video a thumbs up and let me get to know what you think about it in the comment section. So guys, right now I'm in the village, as you know. So today I have just planned that I'm going to prank my cousin that I'm coughing out blood. So I don't know how she's going to react. I'm just going to mix two things. One is tomato sauce and another one is a strawberry juice. So I don't know how she will react, but let me hope she will. The prank will go on well. Let me hope it will work out, guys. So they are inside, they are in the other room, but I'll be doing this right here in the sitting room or in the living room. So let me hope it will work out. So let's go inside and prepare the ingredients. Let me hope this thing will work out, guys. Just cross the fingers for me. Yeah. So let's go inside and do that. I don't want them to hear or know what I'm going to do, guys. So let's go inside and prepare that thing right away. So guys, I'm going to prepare the ingredients and I'm going to use the strawberry juice and the tomato sauce paste. So have mixed them together and they have formed a certain solution which looks like blood, as you can see right here in the glass. Let me hope it's going to work out, guys. Can you see that? Yeah, I think it's going to work, guys. So let me hope the prank is going to work on well. So I'll be hiding this camera right there in the corner so that she can't notice if we are recording a video. But you guys, you are the only one who knows this thing. So right away into the video. So guys, I'll be doing this. Yeah, so they will think that it's blood. Then I'll take some of it. Sis, sis, what's the problem? Sis, sis, what's the problem? Sis, is your stomach good? Is your stomach good? Can I call a doctor? Sis, can I call a doctor? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Hello, doctor. Hello.
an emergency in this house? Please come faster. Yes. Okay. Sis, sis, wake up, wake up, sis, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, the doctor's coming. Where is he? He's coming. Why are you laughing?
It was a prank, sis.
It was a prank.
Yeah, there is a camera there. It is
Nonsense.
recording.
You have wasted my time.
Sis, it was a
Nonsense.
prank.
Let me go.
So guys, the prank worked on well, and she believed that I was coughing out blood, so until she called the doctor. But I think it has worked on well. It is the way I expected. I think I've made her tears. But I'm happy my prank went on well. So guys, let me clean up the mess. As you can see, there is fake blood down there. So let me clean the mess and let me get to know what you think about this prank. See you soon in my next video.